Marley Spoon and Dinnerly are two of the most popular meal delivery services in Australia, and for good reason. Both services offer a wide variety of recipes to choose from, fresh ingredients, and convenient delivery. Marley Spoon is known for its high-quality ingredients and gourmet recipes. The service offers a wide range of meal options, including vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and low-calorie meals. Marley Spoon also has a strong focus on sustainability, and sources its ingredients from local Australian farmers whenever possible. Dinnerly is known for its affordable prices and easy-to-follow recipes. The service offers a variety of classic comfort food dishes, as well as some more adventurous options. Dinnerly meals are typically ready in 30 minutes or less, making them a great option for busy weeknights. Here are some of the reasons why Marley Spoon and Dinnerly are consistently ranked among the best meal delivery services in Australia. Wide variety of recipes. Both Marley Spoon and Dinnerly offer a wide variety of recipes to choose from, so there is something for everyone. Fresh ingredients. Both services use fresh, high-quality ingredients in their meal kits. Convenient delivery. Both services offer convenient delivery to your doorstep, which can save you time and hassle. Affordable prices. Both services offer affordable prices, especially when you consider the cost of convenience. Positive customer reviews. Both Marley Spoon and Dinnerly have positive customer reviews overall. Ultimately, the best meal delivery service for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for a high-quality meal delivery service with a wide variety of recipes, Marley Spoon is a great option. If you are looking for an affordable meal delivery service with easy-to-follow recipes, Dinnerly is a great option. Sign up today with Marley Spoon and apply the offer directly through the link below and get up to $235 off your first 5 boxes. With Dinnerly, use our most popular voucher of the year and get up to 50% off your first meal kit and up to $140 off your first 5 orders. Bon appétit and start cooking today.